What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the all new Redmi 10. It has been leaked with its specification and also with its live images. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So guys, starting off with its design and then the specifications, then the design of the Redmi 10 is being inspired by the Redmi Note 10 series and also by the Mi 10 Ultra, which was being revealed earlier. Not only that, this phone will come with a quad camera setup, and the main silver highlight around the most of the main sensor of this camera is being there. Now speaking about the cameras, then it will come with a 50 megapixel of a primary shooter. Now on the processor side, this will be powered by the recently newest around chipset, which is the MediaTek Helios G88 chipset. Now you might be wondering about this processor, then it is an octa-core CPU with a Cortex A75 units and it's up to a 2 GHz of speed. Not only that, the phone will be coming with a 6 plus 128 GB of storage, and on the front there will be a 6.5 inch of an LCD panel, which is a full HD plus resolution, which means 1080p, and not only that, it will be having a high refresh rate of 90 Hz. Now the punch hole selfie camera is the 8 megapixel frontal selfie shooter, and there is no fingerprint under the display as it's an LCD panel. Now you won't be getting a fingerprint scanner built inside the display, but you will be getting a side on the side of the power button, just like the Redmi Note 10 series. Not only that, the main highlight, it will be an upgrade over the Redmi 9, and the main upgrade over here is with the cameras. Not only that, the 50 megapixel camera will be powered and coupled by the 8 megapixel of an ultrawide shooter, 2 megapixels of the waist cameras, which are the macro shooters and for the better portrait modes. Now on the software side, it will run on the MIUI 12 on top of Android 11, and it will feature a 5000 mAh of battery with a fast charging support of up to 18 watts. And for the lovers of the headphone jack, the 3.5 audio jack is also available in the smartphone. Now it's far goes for the pricing of this smartphone that it is expected to be priced around 15,000 rupees in India, and we will be waiting around for it to be official. Not only that guys, the colors of this smartphone will be in the 3 colors in which it will be available, and it's the grey, white and blue colors. Now what do you think about this smartphone? Are you too excited for this smartphone launch event, and what's your take on this pricing of this smartphone, which is being converted to the USD? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.